Let's check out the HLOOKUP function now. It is very much similar with the VLOOKUP. The only difference is in the VLOOKUP our data set was in this format wherein we have the column headers. In the HLOOKUP the data set is in this form wherein we have the row headers. So I need the same report, I need the value for the customer and sale basis on the product selection. So we will again make a drop down list for the products. So go to data, data validation, and from here choose list. The source is these products and press OK. If you want to know more about data validation or some very smart features of data validation, then I have a separate video on this and the link can be seen in the description or right at the top of this video in the cards. For the shortcut keys in the Excel, I also have a separate video on the Excel shortcut keys. I really suggest you and recommend you to watch those videos. It will be very helpful for you and it will improve your productivity and efficiency in the Excel. So let's move on, cancel it out. Let's move on to our HLOOKUP. So from here I have the drop down list to choose for about the products. Now let's say we will go for product E here. For customer, if you remember the VLOOKUP, then the HLOOKUP is very similar, equal to HLOOKUP bracket start. First argument is the same like VLOOKUP, lookup value. So my lookup value is product E. I am looking for product E, comma, table array. This is my complete table array. You can choose it from your mouse or from the shortcut keys. Comma, if you remember in the VLOOKUP we were telling the column number. Here in HLOOKUP we will tell the row number. So this is my table array. We will go for the customer, in which row number my customer is sitting. Don't look on these gray numbers of row because my table is right starting from here. So we will consider only this data. So my row number 1 for my table is this, then row number 2, row number 3, 4 and 5. So customer, I have row number 4. So I will write 4, comma, again the last argument is same, approximate match or the exact match. We will go for exact match. So you can write here false or 0 and then close your bracket, press enter. It will give you customer 2. So let's check it out. For product E we have customer 2. Alright, for sales also we will go for the same HLOOKUP bracket start, my lookup value, comma, my table array, comma, my row number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My row number is 5, comma, 0 and bracket close, press enter. It will return me 96874. So for product E we have customer 2 and the sale is 96874. Like we did in VLOOKUP, we can also fix the cell references here by pressing F4 key from your keyboard. I am fixing the cell reference for the lookup value and for my table array and then press enter. Then you can drag this value from formula from here to here. The only thing needs to change in the row number. So instead of 4 write 5, press enter, you will get the value. If I want to see the store value, let's say, so what do you think the formula would be? So if I will drag this formula right down here, or you can copy paste, we will just need to change this number. So what is my row index number for store? It's 1, 2. So I will write here 2 and press enter. So for product E, customer 2, 96874 and store is B. So all the values are coming fine. Let's change it to product I. So for product I have customer 2, store A and 5784. So yeah, it is working fine. So this is how you can go for VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. Both are very much similar. If you know one, you will get to know the another. I hope that this video was helpful. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Take care.